Okay, as of 2:40 this afternoon, we allowed our doctors to administer dialysis because that option was given to us. Because his vitals overnight were okay. So somehow, somehow it has helped his dialysis. So of course, itong dialysis na to, this will support, or it will help support organ failure. So sinusuportahan ito ang kidney ng daddy ko at saka yung kanyang mga ibang organs. At the same time, it lessens the excess body fluids, or tinatagal ito yung mga excess na fluid na nasa katawan ng daddy ko. At the same time, nawawala yung mga toxins. So, ang maganda lang dito is nawala yung twitching. So, nawala yung konting pag-inhale. Somehow nag-improve yung kanyang kidney. Bumaba yung creatine sa kidney niya, no? And then, ang maganda lang dito din kasi, somehow nagmulat ang kanyang mata for a while. At tumingin siya sa paligid. At maganda lang doon, siyempre, tuwa ang mga kapatid ko, kaming lahat. Alam namin na nadidinig na kami. And I knew he was trying to communicate with us. Downside is platelets very low. So ibig sabihin ito, he might be susceptible to hemorrhaging. As of now, he's still positive for hemorrhaging. So merong bleeding sa loob na inaalam namin kung saan nagagaling yung bleeding na to. Yan yung naging downside. But of course, for all hoping, naniniwala nga kami sa power of prayers. At kahit paano nga ay somehow nagkaroon ng hope yung family namin sa pag-administer ng dialysis. So, nakapag-desisyon ng pamilya na ituloy lang ang dialysis for the next kung hanggang kailan kaya. And then hopefully na mag-improve talaga ang kondisyon ng father namin.